4th of July 2021, we have Suitsikatu 13 staircase D here in Metsäkangas, one of the suburbs of Lahti. Lahti is in Finland. Finland, 8 floors here, built in 1976, turning 45 years old this year in 2021, modernized in 1999 by Otis. Best is 4% of 300 micrograms and it's fasted off.
Yeah.
Serial number is VS4251 and the new serial number is V1 is Y8668. Possibly the building next close to this one is from early 1978, the ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah.
And then this could be late 1976.
Yeah.
But we don't know if they're original. Maybe the other one, the other building has original ones.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2023. But 100 is enough here, so
Yeah.
you can press the second one. These in the doors are a bit unnecessary still.
Yeah.
But they're historic doors.
Yeah. Expected parkki-wise, mutta meitä ei by Otis on edes käyttäisi.
I believe this was modernized in early 1999. Because these doors look like that. Päivää.